In the beginning, there was darkness, and in that darkness, a cloud of gas and dust slowly began to collapse under its own gravity. This was the cradle of our solar system, a place where chaos would give birth to order and where the story of our cosmic neighborhood would begin. 4.6 billion years ago, the center of this swirling cloud ignited into a fiery furnace. The Sun, the heart of our solar system. Around it, fragments of dust and gas collided, merging into planetesimals and then into planets. But this early solar system was far from peaceful. Collisions and explosions were the norm, sculpting the worlds we know today. Over time, the chaos subsided. The planets found their paths, settling into orbits around the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each world unique, each with its own story. But this delicate balance would not last forever. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, became a cradle of life, thanks to the perfect balance of distance, atmosphere, and water. Mars, once wet and warm, turned cold and barren. The gas giants Jupiter and Saturn grew massive, their gravity shaping the orbits of countless moons and asteroids. But even as life flourished on Earth, the seeds of the solar system's eventual demise were already sown. The Sun, though seemingly eternal, is a star with a finite lifespan. As it ages, it burns through its hydrogen fuel, slowly transforming into a red giant. In this future, billions of years from now, the Sun will expand, swallowing Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth in its fiery embrace. As the Sun swells, Earth's oceans will boil away, its atmosphere stripped into space. Life, if it still exists, will be forced to flee underground or to distant worlds. The once blue planet will be scorched, barren and lifeless, a shadow of its former self. Meanwhile, the outer planets will face their own challenges. As the Sun loses mass, its gravitational grip weakens. Jupiter, Saturn, and the other giants may drift, their orbits becoming chaotic. Moons will be ejected into space, and the asteroid belt could be disturbed, sending destruction hurtling towards the inner planets. In its final act, the Sun will shed its outer layers, creating a beautiful yet eerie planetary nebula, a ghostly remnant of its former self. At the center will remain a white dwarf, the Sun's core, now a dense hot ember slowly fading away. The solar system, once a vibrant and life-giving place, will become a cold, dark void. The planets, if they survive, will drift in silence around the dying remnants of the Sun. The story of our solar system will end, not with a bang, but with the quiet fading of light, leaving behind only memories of what once was. End with text on screen, the life of our solar system, a journey from birth to oblivion. Music fades out, leaving a haunting echo.